Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a YouTube subscription link. Without further ado, let's get started. Now you have to log into your account, and from your YouTube channel, go to Customize Channel and then go to Basic Info. And when you scroll down, you will see the link of your YouTube channel. When you copy this link and paste it to another browser, this link will automatically bring you to your YouTube channel. Now, if you want a link that will automatically subscribe someone to your channel, you can paste this after your channel URL. Now, I'm just gonna copy this one and then paste it after the link of my YouTube channel. Now, if I paste this to another browser, you will see that it will automatically subscribe to my channel. Now, if you don't want to type or add that to your link, you have another ways to do, like to go to vidtechie.com, and then once you're logged in, go to Productivity Tools and click the auto subscribe link. And now you can paste your YouTube channel link to that, and it will automatically generate the link for your channel. And then that's it, everyone. I hope you learned something in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.